Class 9th Maths Chapter 10 Circle Theorem 10.1 Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. A circle with center O is given. AB and CD are equal chords of a circle. AB is equals to CD. We need to prove that angle AOB is equals to angle DOC. So, to prove this, take triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Now in triangle AOB and triangle DOC, AO is equals to OD, AO is equals to DO. Both are radius of circle and we know radius of circle are equal. AB is equals to DC given to us and OB is equals to OC. OB is also equals to OC as they are the radius of the circle. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC by side congruence rule and by CPCT. Angle AOB is equals to DOC by CPCT. Hence proved. Next, theorem 10.2. If the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. Given that a circle with center O, AB and CD are chords that subtend equal angles at the center, which means angle AOB is equals to angle DOC given to us. We need to prove that the chords AB and CD are equal. For this, take triangles AOB and triangle DOC. Now in triangle AOB and triangle DOC, AO is equals to DO. As AO and DO are radius of a circle and we know radius of a circle are equal. Angle AOB is equals to angle DOC given OB is equals to OC radius of circle so triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC by side congruence rule and by CPCT. AB is equals to CD by CPCT. Hence proved. Theorem 10.3. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. Given that C is a circle with center O, AB is a chord such that OX is perpendicular to AB. We need to prove that OX bisect chord AB, that is, we need to prove that AX is equals to BX. So, to prove this, take triangle AXO and triangle BXO. Angle AXO is equals to angle BXO, each 90 degree, as OX is perpendicular to AB is given. AO is equals to BO, radius of circle. XO is equals to XO common. So by RHS congruence rule, triangle AXO is congruent to triangle BXO by RHS congruence rule, and by CPCT, AX is equals to BX by CPCT. Theorem 10.4. The line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. Given that a circle with center O, AB is the chord of a circle, OX bisect AB, means AX is equals to BX. We need to prove that OX is perpendicular to AB. To prove this, take triangle AOX and triangle BOX. AOX triangle and BOX. OA is equals to OB, radius of circle. OX is equals to OX common. AX is equals to BX given. So triangle AOX is congruent to triangle BOX by side congruence rule, and by CPCT, angle AXO is equals to angle BXO. These two angles are equal by CPCT. Now in line AB, angle AXO and angle BXO forms linear pair. So angle AXO plus angle BXO is equals to 180 degree. As AXO is equals to angle BXO, write angle AXO in place of angle BXO. So double of angle AXO is equals to 180 degree. Angle AXO is equals to 180 divided by 2. So angle AXO is equals to 90 degree. So AXO and angle BXO is 90 degree, which implies OX is perpendicular to AB, hence proved.